Did you know tortoises can live over 100 years? Meet Jonathan, the oldest tortoise, who's over 190. Unlike turtles, tortoises are land lovers with legs built for rough terrain. Most tortoises are herbivores, munching on greens, fruits, and veggies. Their shells are part of their skeleton, made up of about 60 bones. No teeth here. Tortoises use sharp beaks to eat. Slow and steady, they symbolize patience and perseverance. Temperature decides their sex during egg incubation. Warmer for females, cooler for males. Tortoises have great memory, remembering paths and even human friends. Sadly, many are endangered due to habitat loss and illegal trade. In many cultures, they're symbols of wisdom, longevity, and stability.